In this video, we listed the 20 best TEMU gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Titanium Cutting Board. A titanium cutting board is a premium kitchen tool designed for durability, hygiene, and versatility. Made from 100% pure titanium, this cutting board offers several advantages over traditional wooden, plastic, or even stainless steel alternatives. Key features: food grade and safe. Titanium is a non-toxic, corrosion-resistant material that does not react with acidic or alkaline foods, ensuring a safe and healthy food preparation experience. Double-sided design, suitable for cutting both vegetables and meat, reducing cross-contamination. Ultra-durable and scratch-resistant. Unlike wooden or plastic boards, a titanium cutting board resists deep cuts and grooves, making it more sanitary and long-lasting. Odor and stain-resistant. It does not absorb food odors, colors, or moisture, preventing bacterial growth and ensuring easy cleaning. Product 2. Product name: Fruit and Vegetable Cleaning Machine. The Fruit and Vegetable Cleaning Machine is a USB wireless food purifier designed to effectively clean fruits, vegetables, rice, meat, and even tableware. This compact and portable device utilizes advanced oxidation technology or electrolyzed water purification to break down pesticides, dirt, and contaminants, ensuring that food is thoroughly cleaned before consumption. Key features: USB wireless operation, rechargeable and cordless design for convenient use anywhere. Multifunctional cleaning, suitable for washing fruits, vegetables, rice, meat, seafood, and even tableware. Efficient food purification, uses oxidation or electrolysis to remove harmful residues. Portable and easy to use, small, lightweight, and easy to operate, making it perfect for home kitchens or travel. Safe and eco-friendly, chemical-free cleaning method that helps maintain food freshness and hygiene. Product 3. Product name: Full-Star Mandoline Slicer. The Full-Star Mandoline Slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for efficient food preparation, aligning with the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances. This multifunctional slicer, chopper, and spiralizer offers a range of cutting options, making it ideal for slicing, dicing, grating, and spiralizing vegetables with ease. Key features: multiple blades, includes interchangeable blades for slicing, julienning, and grating. Vegetable spiralizer, perfect for making zucchini spaghetti and other veggie noodles. Food chopper and onion chopper, provides quick and uniform chopping for onions, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Safety features: equipped with a handguard and non-slip base for secure operation. Compact and easy to clean, designed for easy storage and dishwasher-safe parts. Product 4. Product name: Portable Water Dispenser. A portable water dispenser is a convenient and efficient solution for dispensing water from large bottles without the need for heavy lifting or manual pouring. The 5-gallon electric drinking portable water dispenser is designed for use with 2 to 5-gallon water bottles and features a universal USB charging system for cordless operation. This makes it an ideal choice for home, office, camping, and outdoor use. Key features include: White have a checkmark electric pump system, provides smooth and effortless water flow with the push of a button. White have a checkmark USB rechargeable battery, eliminates the need for constant power supply, offering portability and convenience. White have a checkmark universal compatibility, fits most standard 2 to 5-gallon water bottles without the need for a dedicated water dispenser machine. White have a checkmark food-grade silicone tubing, ensures safe and hygienic water dispensing. White have a checkmark compact and lightweight design, easy to transport and store, making it perfect for various settings. Product 5. Product name: X-Sense 2-in-1 Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. The X-Sense 2-in-1 Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector, SC06, is a battery-operated safety device designed to detect both smoke and carbon monoxide, CO, in residential settings. With a 10-year built-in lithium battery, this unit ensures long-term protection without the need for frequent battery replacements. Unlike hardwired models, the SC06 is easy to install and does not require complex wiring, making it a convenient option for homeowners, renters, and those looking for reliable safety solutions. Key features include a dual sensor system, which enhances detection accuracy while minimizing false alarms. The photoelectric smoke sensor quickly identifies slow-burning fires, while the electrochemical CO sensor detects dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. The detector provides both visual and audible alerts, featuring a loud 85 dB alarm and an LED indicator to warn users of potential threats. Product 6. Product name: Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with timer, 25490A, is a convenient kitchen appliance designed for making two customized breakfast sandwiches simultaneously. It is ideal for those who enjoy quick and easy homemade breakfast options without the hassle of multiple cooking steps. Key features: dual sandwich cooking allows you to prepare two sandwiches at the same time, making it perfect for families or meal prepping. Built-in timer ensures precise cooking with an automatic timer that alerts you when your sandwiches are ready. Customizable ingredients: users can add their preferred bread, eggs, cheese, and protein, like bacon, ham, or sausage, to create a personalized meal. Easy-to-clean design: the removable non-stick cooking plates make cleaning effortless. Product 7. Product name: Pizza Cutter Wheel. The Pizza Cutter Wheel by Midnight Slice is a high-quality stainless steel food slicer designed for effortlessly cutting pizzas and more. Featuring a sharp cutting surface, this tool ensures clean and precise cuts without dragging toppings. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for home cooks and pizza enthusiasts alike. Given the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this pizza cutter aligns well with their preferences. It complements other kitchen gadgets like the digital meat thermometer, enhancing the overall cooking and serving experience. Whether slicing through a homemade pizza or cutting flatbreads and pastry dough, this durable and efficient tool adds convenience to any kitchen setup. Product 8. Product name: Kitchen Shears by Gidli. The Kitchen Shears by Gidli are a versatile and heavy-duty kitchen tool designed for various food preparation tasks. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these ultra-sharp all-purpose scissors can handle cutting meat, poultry, vegetables, and even herbs with ease. They come with a lifetime replacement warranty, ensuring long-lasting durability and customer satisfaction. A standout feature of this set is the included seafood scissors, which are specially designed to cut through shellfish such as shrimp, lobster, and crab, making them an excellent addition for seafood lovers. Their ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during use. Product 9. Product name: Flairosol OLIVIA. The Flairosol OLIVIA is an advanced oil sprayer designed for cooking applications such as meal preparation, salads, BBQs, and grilling. It features a continuous fine mist spray with portion control, making it an excellent tool for distributing oil evenly while reducing excess usage. The 130 ml glass container ensures durability and prevents chemical leaching, maintaining the purity of olive oil and other cooking oils. The white printed design adds a sleek touch to any kitchen setup. Given the user's interest in baking tools, household kitchen appliances, and digital meat thermometers, the Flairosol OLIVIA aligns well with their kitchen essentials. Product 10. Product name: Zuluri Kitchen Lemon Squeezer. The Zuluri Kitchen Lemon Squeezer stainless steel is a premium quality, heavy-duty manual citrus press designed for effortlessly extracting juice from lemons, limes, and other small citrus fruits. Made from solid stainless steel, it ensures durability, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting performance. Its large squeezer bowl accommodates a variety of fruit sizes, making it highly efficient for both home and professional kitchen use. This ergonomic, easy-to-use manual juicer is ideal for extracting maximum juice with minimal effort, thanks to its lever-action design that reduces hand strain. Unlike traditional plastic or aluminum squeezers, its stainless steel construction enhances its strength and prevents bending or breaking. Additionally, its dishwasher-safe design ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. Product 11. Product name: Professional Meat Thermometer. The Professional Meat Thermometer Digital is a highly accurate, fast, and reliable tool designed for various cooking tasks, including grilling, baking, candy making, and even barbecue or smoker use. It offers 1-second instant read results with precision, being NIST certified for accuracy to plus or minus 0.5, making it a valuable asset for chefs and home cooks who require precision. Its ultra-bright LED screen ensures easy readability, even in low light conditions, while their 100% waterproof design allows for easy cleaning and durability, especially during messy outdoor cooking sessions. The thermometer features an auto-rotate function, which makes it easy to use from any angle, and it is compact enough to be a convenient and practical addition to any kitchen or outdoor setup. Its versatility makes it perfect not just for meats, but also for monitoring candy or deep frying temperatures. As a thoughtful Valentine's gift, this thermometer combines practicality with high-end functionality for anyone who loves cooking or grilling. The sleek black design adds a modern touch to the kitchen essentials. Product 12. Product name: Rice Washer Strainer Bowl. The Rice Washer Strainer Bowl is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify the process of washing grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans. Featuring a 4-in-1 design, this stainless steel rinser serves as a small colander with side drainers, making it perfect for efficiently cleaning quinoa, rice, and other grains. Additionally, its multifunctional use extends to rinsing fruits and vegetables, offering convenience for a variety of cooking needs. The durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and resistance to rust, while the side drainers allow for easy water flow and effective drainage. This bowl enhances kitchen efficiency by combining multiple functions into one compact, easy-to-use tool, ideal for anyone interested in practical and space-saving kitchen solutions. Product 13. Product name: Vegetable Chopper. The Vegetable Chopper is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance that combines functionality and convenience. Specifically, the electric garlic chopper is designed for quick and efficient chopping, mincing, and blending of various foods like vegetables, garlic, ginger, chili, fruits, and even meat. This USB rechargeable mini chopper is particularly ideal for smaller quantities, with a 250 ml capacity, making it perfect for everyday use in the kitchen without the hassle of large, cumbersome equipment. This powerful small food processor operates wirelessly, offering a level of flexibility and ease of use that's hard to match. It can be used on the go, especially in settings where traditional electric outlets are unavailable. The blender-to-vegetable function ensures smooth, consistent results for all types of ingredients, whether you're making a quick salsa, chopping garlic for a recipe, or preparing a small amount of meat for a dish. Product 14. Product name: Atoto Pasta Spoon and Spaghetti Spoon. The Atoto Pasta Spoon and Spaghetti Spoon is a playful and practical addition to your kitchen tools collection. This fun yet functional gadget adds a bit of whimsy to cooking while serving as a useful utensil for cooking and serving pasta. It's part of the world of cool kitchen gadgets and cooking gifts, making it an ideal choice for those looking for unique, cute kitchen accessories or funny gifts. The spoon is designed to make spaghetti handling easier, with a fun and quirky design that can also serve as a conversation starter in your kitchen. Whether you're looking for a practical kitchen tool or a fun gift for a friend, this pasta spoon is a perfect pick to brighten up any cooking space. Product 15. Product name: Silicone Oven Mitts. Silicone oven mitts are a must-have for any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy cooking, baking, or grilling. These mitts offer superior heat resistance, ensuring your hands remain protected when handling hot pans, trays, or grilling tools. Unlike traditional cotton mitts, silicone oven mitts are durable, flexible, and provide a more secure grip due to their anti-slip properties, making them ideal for heavy-duty use. Many silicone mitts also feature an ergonomic design and magnetic storage capability, allowing them to be easily stored on a metal surface for convenient access. Whether you're baking, cooking, or grilling, these mitts help keep you safe from burns and allow for better handling of hot items. Plus, silicone is non-stick and easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. For those who seek a versatile, practical solution for kitchen tasks, silicone oven mitts are an essential tool. Product 16. Product name: Master Knife Sharpener. The Master Knife Sharpener is a versatile and premium for-stage kitchen tool designed for quick and efficient sharpening, restoring, fine-tuning, and honing various types of knives. Ideal for chef knives, pocket knives, steel knives, serrated blades, and scissors, this sharpener offers a complete sharpening solution. It features for distinct stages: coarse grinding for dull blades, medium sharpening for a refined edge, fine honing for a razor-sharp finish, and a final stage for ultra-fine tuning. Additionally, it includes a built-in glass cutter, enhancing its functionality. Perfect for those who require precision and reliability in maintaining their cutting tools, the Master Knife Sharpener is a great addition to any kitchen, ensuring knives are always in top condition for cutting, slicing, and chopping. This tool is highly recommended for users who frequently work with various knives and need a dependable, quick, and effective way to maintain their sharpness. Product 17. Product name: Heavy Duty Furniture Lifter. The Heavy Duty Furniture Lifter is a practical and robust tool designed to make moving heavy furniture and appliances easier and safer. This lifter features for appliance roller sliders that can support a load capacity of up to 660 pounds, making it perfect for moving large items like couches, sofas, refrigerators, and more. The adjustable height lifting tool lever allows for precise lifting, providing enough clearance to place the appliance rollers underneath the item. Once lifted, the furniture or appliance can be smoothly rolled to its desired location thanks to the built-in wheels. This tool is engineered for safe and efficient moving, reducing the risk of injury and damage to both the furniture and the floor. Ideal for anyone looking for a simple yet powerful solution for home or office moves, the heavy-duty furniture lifter ensures a stress-free experience when relocating large, bulky items. Product 18. Product name: Pickle Fork. The pickle fork is a fun and functional kitchen gadget designed to help you grab pickles or olives from jars without making a mess or getting your hands greasy. A product like the Yunhome Pickle Grabber offers a unique and handy solution for those who enjoy pickles or other small jarred snacks. It can be considered a great pickle gift for anyone who loves pickled foods. This utensil is essentially a specialized fork that allows you to easily pick out items like olives, pickles, or other jarred snacks with precision, without dipping your fingers into the jar. The pickle fork's tool for the jar can come in various designs, often with a long handle for better reach into deep jars. It might be made of stainless steel or other durable materials, ensuring it is easy to clean after use. Additionally, this gadget adds an element of fun and convenience to the kitchen, making it a practical and quirky addition to any collection of unique kitchen gadgets. Whether you're preparing a snack or looking for a cool and thoughtful gift for someone who loves pickles, this tool is a practical yet playful option. Product 19. Product name: Sue's Vide Style Egg Bite Maker Machine. The Sue's Vide Style Egg Bite Maker Machine is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for making delicious, customizable egg bites with ease. It comes with silicone molds that allow for the preparation of 8 mini egg bites and 2 large egg bites in a single batch, making it ideal for breakfast, snacks, and even desserts. With the added feature of a mini griddle and grilled cheese maker, this appliance enables you to experiment with different recipes, from classic egg bites to grilled cheese sandwiches. Whether you're in the mood for a savory breakfast sandwich or a quick snack, this egg bite maker provides a convenient and efficient way to cook multiple servings at once. Its Sue's Vide style cooking method ensures even and consistent cooking, giving you perfectly textured egg bites every time. Compact and easy to use, it's a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy preparing homemade meals quickly and with minimal cleanup. Product 20. Product name: Blazen THAW Defrosting Tray. The Blazen THAW Defrosting Tray for frozen meat offers a practical and efficient way to thaw frozen food, particularly meat, without the need for microwaves or hot water. Made from high-quality aluminium alloy, this tray uses a natural thawing process that works by conducting heat from the ambient temperature to the frozen food. This allows for quicker thawing while maintaining the food's quality and taste. The premium edition of the tray is designed to speed up defrosting time while preserving the integrity of the meat, ensuring no loss of nutrients. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants a more natural approach to thawing, eliminating the need for cold or warm water, which can often cause uneven thawing or risk contamination. Ideal for home kitchens, It's particularly useful for individuals who regularly cook frozen meat or want to simplify meal prep without compromising quality.